Welcome to Scrape Genius. How to install WebCrawler Spider on macOS. First, you need to visit the Scrape Genius official website and sign up for free. Download the starter kit. After downloading, extract the downloaded zip file and navigate to the WebCrawler Spider folder. Open this folder in Terminal by clicking on New Terminal at Folder, and type Node-V to check if Node.js is installed. If Node.js is not installed, go to the official website nodejs.org. Download the LTS version and install it. If you want to use the same Node.js version that our tool is built on, follow the steps to download and install a specific version of Node.js. And install it. Once Node.js is installed, go back to the WebCrawler Spider folder. Reopen the terminal, and run the command npm install. Wait for the installation to complete. After that, type and run npx playwright install. This may take some time. After that, your installation process will be complete. Finally, start the server by running npm start. Once the server starts, copy the displayed URL from your terminal and open it in your browser. Here your tool is ready to use. Thank you for watching.